Now let's go to the Tools Center and design your food menu for taking orders. Press F9 to go into the design mode and double-click on the pizza button. I've left some room on the button map on the pizza button to allow us to place our specialty pizzas or combination pizzas in the far left-hand column. So let's click on the button map, and the first specialty is a deluxe, and the medium code is there, and then we'll select the large deluxe code, and those are put into the button, and then we'll create also a button for the veggie. And for the medium, select the vegetable topping, and large, the same thing. And save that. Now, just as when we set up the sandwiches, we need to make toppings a part of the deluxe and veggie buttons. And we do that by clicking the button in the button group and then going to button presets. Remember, button presets allow us to assign other items on the super button to be part of this item when it's selected. So check the pressing this button will cause other buttons to be included. And for the deluxe pizza, the toppings that are included are pepperoni, sausage, onion, and mushroom. So we will select those, pepperoni, sausage, onion, and mushroom on this button presets tab. Save that. Then on the veggie button, go to the button presets, and the items that are included on a veggie pizza are olives, onions, mushrooms, and green pepper, and we'll save that. Next, just as we did in the sandwich buttons, we're going to make the deluxe and veggie buttons part of a button group so we can control when those are used. So select Edit Button Groups, and for button group number 2, type Specialty. And in this group, only one specialty button can be selected at a time. For example, if the deluxe pizza was selected, then the veggie pizza cannot be selected. We also need to allow no selection in the specialty pizza group. If a customer only wants to build a pizza or wants a cheese pizza, then we don't want to require one of the specialty pizza buttons. So we'll save this. And then again go into the button map button for the deluxe pizza and select specialty as its button group. And then for veggie, we'll select specialty as its button group. And next we'll go into the order entry program and see how that's changed the way the super button works. Now we're in the order entry program. Let's enter the PIN code, and then we'll go to new order. Click our pizza on one button. Now if we wanted to build a pizza, again we can select only the items that we want on the pizza that we're building and then save those to the order. In the case of ordering a specialty pizza like a deluxe pizza, you can select deluxe, and then the items that are included will also be depressed. In this case, pepperoni, onion, sausage, and mushroom are all included in the deluxe pizza because we set these up as part of the button presets. Now let's say that we did not want onions on this pizza, but we want to add green pepper. We can do that as well, and the items that are included remain green. The item we took off is now red and says no. The item that we added, which in this case is green pepper, is now green and says add. That's how you can tell the items that are included, the pepperoni, sausage, and mushroom, because those are only depressed in green. Green pepper was added, so it says add in front of this topping. And for onion, this is excluded, so it says no, and then we click close, and those items are placed onto the ticket. Now you'll notice on the customer order, just as in our sandwich example, let's look here under large pizza, we have add green pepper and then add deluxe. The specialty pizza should be listed at the top rather than having this extra green pepper added below it. So let's exit the order entry program, and then we'll go into the Office Manager again and make that setting in the super button. We're back in the super button properties window, and now let's select the ticket sort order, the way these items should appear on an order. What we're going to do is move our deluxe and veggie selections to the top of the list, so those will be listed first, and then the additions or subtractions from those order items will be listed after. Remember to set the ticket item order. You click the item that you want to move and drag it to the location in the list and then drop it. Again, click veggie, hold the mouse button down, drag it up, and drop it at the top. Now if you want to change the order of any of the other items that appear on the ticket, you can do that here, but for our purposes we're finished. And we'll save this super button and then go back into the order entry program and show you how this works. In the order entry program, enter the PIN code. Then we'll go to New Order and the pizza on one button selection, and then we'll choose a deluxe pizza, take off onion, and add green pepper again. And then say close, and now it says large pizza, add deluxe, no onion, and then add green pepper. There's an additional setting that I want to show you in Point of Success. This is not in the super button setup. It is in the order entry setup in the Office Manager. Let me set the stage for you. Let's go to New Order and select Pizza on one button and then choose the deluxe pizza. Notice that pepperoni, onion, sausage, and mushroom are included. And on our order, it says only one large pizza and add deluxe and the total price of $14.99. Some pizzerias want to list all of the items that are normally included on this pizza. Let me show you how to do this. We'll exit the order and then exit the order entry program. And we're back in the Point of Success Office Manager. Let's now, on the Tools Center, go to Order Entry Options. And in Order Entry Options, there is a selection that we can choose to show all of the items that are normally included. Here on the bottom where it says Show Normally Included Items on the Order when using combination and super buttons. Checking this will allow us to show all of the items that are included in a deluxe pizza when that item is ordered. We'll save this setting and then go back into the order entry program. In the order entry program, let's enter the PIN code and then do the same order we did before. The deluxe pizza, remove onion and add green pepper, and then close the super button window. Notice now that the order says one large pizza, add deluxe, and then included our pepperoni, sausage, no onion, and mushroom, and then green pepper is added to the order. This setting can be changed in the Tools Center in the Office Manager program to either show all of the items that are included in this specialty pizza or only to show the exceptions depending upon how you want to run your kitchen. Now to finish off the super button segment of our training, I want to show you some of the other items that you can use in this super button properties window. First of all, we can change how these buttons are arranged on the screen by clicking here on the bottom on Arrange Buttons. When Arrange Buttons is selected, you can click and drag any button in the super button button grid to another location. So if we wanted to, for example, move our toppings down so we can put a crust or sauce selection on the top line, or we can add additional buttons for extra cheese or any other modifier information that we want. You can change the order of the buttons on the super button by clicking and dragging them. Another shortcut you probably will be interested in is this Copy Page and Paste Page button set here on the left-hand side of the screen. When you're setting up a super button, you can copy the entire page of buttons from the button map and paste those in another button. So if you're setting up a similar super button and you want that information in the other button, you can copy all of the buttons, close this button window, open the other properties window, and paste the buttons in there. That does it for the super button selection on the menu. And remember, you can use super buttons for ordering sandwiches or pizzas, as in our example, or for ordering anything from your menu that has optional items that can be added or subtracted and things that come with it.